Winter mornings don't have to begin with sore backs, strained joints, or exhausting manual labor. Sometimes, the smartest upgrade isn't bigger or louder, it's simply easier on your body. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dnveey Cordless Snow Shovel Kit, a lightweight 21V electric snow shovel built specifically for patios, decks, steps, and walkways. This tool is especially well-suited for seniors, homeowners with limited mobility, or anyone who wants reliable snow removal without the physical toll of traditional shoveling. If your priority is safe, low-effort snow clearing without cords or gas, this is one worth considering. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. The Dnveey is a battery-powered snow shovel weighing under 10 pounds and includes two 4.0 lithium-ion batteries for extended runtime. It features an adjustable directional snow throw, a deck-safe paddle auger, and a simple push-start design. Backed by thousands of 5-star reviews, it's clearly positioned as a comfort-first solution for everyday winter maintenance. Reason number 1. The lightweight design immediately sets this model apart. Weighing under 10 pounds, it dramatically reduces the bending, lifting, and pushing associated with manual shoveling. For seniors or anyone managing joint or back discomfort, this difference is felt from the very first use. Reason number 2, extended runtime adds real-world convenience. With two included 21V 4.0 batteries, you get up to 50 minutes of combined operation. This allows you to clear longer walkways or multiple areas without rushing, while keeping one battery charging for uninterrupted use. Reason number 3, the adjustable directional throw improves cleanliness and control. Instead of blowing snow straight ahead onto your shoes or a freshly cleared path, the directional plate lets you guide snow left or right. This keeps walkways cleaner and reduces the need for repeat passes. Reason number 4, surface safety is thoughtfully addressed. The paddle-style auger is designed to clear snow effectively while remaining gentle on wood decks, composite surfaces, and decorative stone. This makes it a safer alternative to heavier machines with metal augers. Reason number 5, ease of use is a core strength. Instant electric start removes the frustration of pull cords, gas mixing, or cold weather engine issues. The dual safety switch adds protection against accidental activation while keeping operations straightforward. Reason number 6, its compact design suits tight spaces perfectly. Steps, ramps, patios, and narrow walkways are where this shovel shines. It glides smoothly over surfaces, making it easier to maintain safe access points throughout the winter. Reason number 7, the ownership experience is refreshingly simple. With no fuel, minimal maintenance, and a focus on user comfort, this shovel fits seamlessly into daily routines. Combined with strong user feedback and being trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it delivers confidence beyond the specs. Final verdict: the Dnveey Cordless Snow Shovel is not built for deep drifts or large driveways, and it doesn't aim to replace a full-size snowblower. What it does exceptionally well is reduce physical strain while keeping essential areas clear and safe. For seniors, caregivers, or homeowners prioritizing comfort and simplicity, it stands out as a thoughtful, practical winter tool. That's the breakdown. Take a moment. Does this feel like a win for you? If it does, go ahead and buy with confidence, knowing you're making the right choice.